TSM Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. With having done 40,000 videos and being in the market for 5 years, I have seen what's making me money and what's not. And with Taiwan Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company, I can tell you that for me, it's been long ever since. Like not ever since like, I mean, yeah, from the beginning, I'm sure I had some like bearish predictions and whatnot, but that's normal. At the time, it was 142 a year ago. And since then, I've been just trying to milk it up. And it went from 142, now we're 200. At the top there was like 226, so that's great. And all I have to say is the most recent prediction was correct, which was made approximately here. You see 3 weeks ago, only got 30 views, which is kind of sad. And yeah, like this is where we currently are. But all that to say is that I'm still looking to double down on this. So how's it going to look like? Well, yeah, only if I see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a shift, only then I'm going to look to buy. But yeah, other than that, I'm not going to be forcing nothing. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.